Hello, fellow RV enthusiasts. Today is June 10th, 2018, and I am selling my RV. It's a Forest River 315 BHK. I believe it's 34 feet long, and it has a bunkhouse in the back. I'm also selling the truck, so we could do a package deal if you were interested. I'm going to go over some of the options on this vehicle. This has got an automatic retractor, and it's got a little LED light on the front. And you can raise and lower the unit to take it off the hitch. Also, it's got the sway bar, and the hitch comes with the unit as well. It's got storage underneath. You can see through here. Got all my tools and stuff in there, but a lot of storage space under there. And it also comes with the septic hoses and all the things to hook up. This model's got an upgrade on it. It's the outdoor kitchen, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna open this up real quick, show it to you. The sink rolls out. See that? And it's got an ice box next to it. And here's the barbecue. This swings over, and there's a gas line. And voila, you've got an outdoor kitchen for cooking your trout. Spare tire. Satellite and cable right there. I'm not a very good cameraman, so I'll try to give you an overview here. There's city water, freshwater connection. This is where the 50 amp plug goes in, which I also have. Freshwater connection. This is the outdoor shower right here. Dual axles. That's about it on the outside, I think. So I'm asking $20,000 for the RV and $22,000 for the truck, and I'll do both for $40,000. Water heater. So it's also got a 110 switch that you can do it on AC or on propane. Forgot about that. Outdoor speakers, and then the awning is a power awning, and it just kind of rolls out. You can see that. Everything works. Make sure I'm not hitting the tree. Okay. There we go. So the pop out is also obviously automatic. Slide that in and out. It's got a nice big pantry here next to the kitchen. And then a broom closet on this side right here. This is the bunkhouse part. It's got a little table for your kids to play. 2 bunks, an upper and a lower here. And, you know, with my kids, I use this for storage because my kids decided they'd rather play video games than camp. Go figure that one out, huh? Tub, shower. It's got a little sunroof on it, which is kind of nice because for tall guys like me, you can get in there. Toilet. Okay, exhaust fan. That television will actually spin around, and you can watch it in the master area. It's got a radio system and CD player, all that. Here's the bedroom. I'm not sure if you can see this too much, but it's quite cozy. It's a queen size bed. It's a short queen. It's like, I think it's like 70 inches long. Okay, a couple of linen closets on both sides. And what's nice about this model is these doors right here, they actually, these are solid doors, so you can get some peace and quiet instead of curtains, which is nice, I think. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me. My name's Troy, and I live in Pahrump, Nevada, which is just outside of Las Vegas. And my number is 702-635-4633. Or you can email me at justgetajob@yahoo.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching.